Oh, it's good. It's really great plastic. Okay. Okay, that's a little loose, so it's gonna tighten this back up. Maybe something like that. Okay, perfect. Get a little bit more tight. All right, well, that's good. See, so you can see your bike up close. That's pretty cool. Really hanging up there. And then there's a few more rules here. So let's see. Fit the balancing pole. You can attach it from here around this thing, so just provide a little bit of support to here. So yeah, it kind of stops there and it won't go out that way, so that's good. Beautiful. Okay, look at that, it's beautiful. All right, that's that.